Hello, I am Astrid de Villevilliers, the product manager of Skinax, our anti-aging vegan collagen booster ingredients. In this presentation, I will review the main evidences of the efficacy of Skinax and the claim associated to this patented formulation. First, it is important to know the market in which Skinax is sold. We are talking here about nutri-cosmetics. Nutri-cosmetics is to absorb orally active ingredients that aim to improve skin nutrition in depth, resulting in a better skin appearance. Whatever the age or the sex, at least 70% of people think that it is important to look after the appearance of its skin. In addition, 85% of the population believe that eating healthy will make you look more beautiful. So together, those two ideas boost the nutri-cosmetic market, expected to reach the $8.7 billion by 2027. But a closer look reveals that it is mainly facial skin that matters. Indeed, face is the most important part of the body because it is linked to the social and professional attractiveness. It also reflects someone's health and well-being. Skin beauty is commonly defined as a radiant complexion of the face without imperfection. But today, about 8 out of 10 women are concerned by irregularities of their complexion. But what does it mean exactly to have a radiant skin? So skin radiance is a subjective concept that has no official definition. In reality, the appearance of the complexion is multifactorial and it involves the skin contrast defined by the light reflection within the skin, so luminosity and brightness. It involves also the skin color, mainly affected by skin microcirculation. And to finish, it involves the skin imperfections, such as the heterogeneity or dark circles or spots. Now, which are the causes of a dull complexion? Well, the skin radiance is influenced by intrinsic and extrinsic factors. They are responsible for skin aging. Intrinsic aging is inevitable. Intrinsic aging is the result of the interplay of environmental factors and human behavior, tobacco, nutritional deficiencies, alcohol, stress, or UV exposure. So daily exposure to those proactive factors leads to the oxidative stress in the skin. They accelerate skin aging. Skin loses its natural homogeneity and its ability to regenerate. So its textures become rough, wrinkled, and weakened. Skin color and contrast are altered by imperfection appear. The result, the complexion become dull. We can summarize the consequences of oxidative stress to cell on to those three main ones. First, melanin overproduction. 2, collagen and elastin degradation. And 3, microcirculation reduction. Each of them leads to identified and visible impact on skin appearance. So first, because of melanin overproduction, the color is altered and hyperpigmented spot appears. The complexion takes on red and olive shades, possibly punctuated by age spots. Then, collagen and elastin degradation is directly linked with the loss of skin elasticity and firmness. Visible impacts are the development of dark circles under the eyes. And then, the microcirculation reduction, it weakens it means that the capillary network is weakened and with lower vessel density. So the luminosity is unbalanced, notably by the presence of rednesses. Now, because they are occurring at the same time, it will lead to different change of the skin appearance. So you'll have color degradation, but also a contrast degradation, and imperfection to increase with tonicity that decrease. So all together, they decrease the skin radiance. So now, based on those data, what would be an efficient anti-aging formula? So first, it needs to offer a multi-parametric action on mechanism involved in skin aging to restore the luminous and radiant complexion. It means that he has to regulate the melanin production, to protect the collagen from the degradation, and to improve microcirculation. This is exactly what SkinAx is offering. The patented formula gets the particularity of combining primary and secondary antioxidants that provide a complete skin protection against oxidative stress. So those antioxidants come from bioactive SOD, one of the 3 endogenous antioxidant enzymes of the organism, and grape flavanol monomers that will boost those 2 other endogenous antioxidant enzymes, catalase and glutathione peroxidase. So together, they will boost the natural skin antioxidant defenses and act as the source of the free radicals production. Then you have the secondary antioxidants. Grape flavanol monomers, vitamin C and zinc provide protective effects at the end of the oxidative cascade, preventing the cell damages coming from the oxidative stress. So concretely, what is inside SkinAx? Well, SkinAx results from the combination of 4 carefully selected ingredients. French grape seed extracts coming from Champagne variety. This extract provides the highest content in flavanol monomers. Then you have French melon extracts of the specific cantaloupe variety that brings SOD. Zinc and vitamin C complete the formula. So nutri-cosmetic solutions are thought to be ingested. It is thus very important that they have a high bioavailability. Once consumed, the active substances need to enter the circulation and have an active effect. So monomers of flavanols have been chosen instead of polymers because they are the smallest existing polyphenols. They are the most bioavailable. Indeed, studies have shown that flavanol polymerization limits the absorption in the gut. Then the used SOD in SkinAx is coated. It means that it will preserve it from the gastric degradation. Vitamin C and zinc are well recognized to be bioavailable, and the absorption is dose-dependent. Here, vitamin C is also coated to prevent it from degradation and improve its bioavailability. So we have one solution, but multiple mechanisms. So SkinAx highly bioavailable formulation exerts an exhaustive antioxidant activity by combining both primary and secondary antioxidants. But fighting the first cause of skin degradation is not enough, and this is why SkinAx is also acting on those 3 main causes of the skin aging and dull complexion. So the decrease of melanin production, flavanol monomers and vitamin C are known to reduce the tyrosinase activity necessary for the production of melanin. Then, concerning the collagen and elastin degradation, And the last one, microcirculation improvements. Grapeseed flavanols monomers helps to stabilize the capillary walls and decrease the capillary permeability. So Skinax is a vegan collagen booster. It means that it increases the collagen synthesis by boosting the collagen precursor hydroxyproline production, increasing the collagen levels in fibroblasts, the cells responsible for its synthesis, and it also contributes to the normal collagen formation. So the ingredients contained in Skinax have been scientifically proved to boost the natural collagen synthesis and protection from using. But Active Insight conducted in vitro studies to understand better the efficacy of Skinax as a proprietary blend. So the assay have been realized on human fibroblasts, the cells responsible for the collagen synthesis in the dermis. The assay was based on 3 cell cultures. So you had the negative control, human fibroblast only, alone. The positive control containing vitamin C, because vitamin C is considered as essential to induce collagen formation. So, and in literature, it is used at 100 micromole to induce collagen synthesis in vitro. And then you have the treated cells using a dose of 220 microgram of Skinax to provide the optimal concentration of vitamin C. So there are different types of collagen fibers that can be found in the dermis, but 80% of them are type 1. This is why the assay quantified this collagen type. So as expected, vitamin C provided by the positive control led to collagen production, validating the test effectiveness. But Skinax provided the same amount of vitamin C, but the collagen synthesis was 34% higher than in positive control. It means that we can assume Skinax is boosting collagen production. But Skinax is composed by 4 ingredients. The first in vitro assay suggested that vitamin C in Skinax should not be the only ingredient responsible for its collagen booster activity. This is why we conducted a second assay to test a possible synergistic action of the 4 ingredients. So we used the same condition as in the previous assay, but the production of the collagen was quantified when cells were either treated with Skinax as a blend or with the equivalent quantity of one of the ingredients of Skinax. So the results showed that the production of collagen is almost twice boosted when the 4 ingredients of Skinax act all together. Because the quantity of collagen is higher when you have the 4 ingredients working together than when they are alone, separated, we can say that the high efficacy of Skinax to boost collagen production is due to a synergy occurring between the 4 ingredients. So if the quantity of collagen fibers was increased, the assembling seemed also improved in a 3-dimensional network, being more compact and denser. So you have here in immunostaining the positive control using only the fibroblast with vitamin C, and here you have the cells that were treated with Skinax. In green, you can observe the collagen fibers, and you can see that there are a lot more collagen fibers with Skinax than without. But you have more collagen, but you also need this collagen to be stable. Collagen stability mainly depends on the cross-links between the peptide chain, between those peptide chain. So flavanol can bind to collagen fibers by creating cross-linking with collagen fibers, reflecting the stabilization power. So this increases the stability, making the collagen unreachable by the destructive enzyme such as collagenase. You have also an anti-glycation activity of Skinax. So glycation is also known as the Maillard reaction. It is a spontaneous reaction that of glucose with a protein, such as collagen fiber, and the pathway leads to advanced glycation products, AGEs, such as pentozidine, which is the main age that you will have in the skin. AGEs are naturally accumulating with aging in the skin, and for example, the level of pentozidine is 50 times higher at 80 years old than at 20 years old. So the in vitro, the inhibition effect of catechin was measured in a solution containing protein and glucose. After 24 hours of incubation, up to 54% of AG's production was inhibited by catechin, with a dose-dependent effect. So scientists also studied in vitro the anti-glycation effects of flavonoids from grape. So here aminoguanidine is used as a positive control because it is an anti-glycation drug, but it's raised some safety concerns such as pro-oxidative activities. So they added those flavonoids at different dosage in a collagen solution rich in glucose. The pentozidine hydroxyproline ratio was measured by HPLC after 28 days, which is corresponding to the time of the AG's formation. So hydroxyproline is a component of the collagen fibers. So the higher is the pentozidine hydroxyproline ratio, the more AGs are produced rather than collagen. So this highlights the collagen degradation. Catechin significantly bring down the ratio in a dose-dependent effect. So catechin are even as efficient than aminoguanidine. So the level of pentozidine, the male age in the skin, is thus decreased. This means that the cross-linking of collagen fibers is regulated and the skin elasticity is maintained. So to summarize, Skinax has a multi-parametric action acting on melanin synthesis, collagen synthesis, and microcirculation. So it improves and regulates the melanin synthesis, but it also boosts the collagen production and improves its stability, and it improves the microcirculation. So Skinax has been then tested in a clinical study. So it has been tested in France on 35 healthy women with dual complexion. They were aged between 40 and 70 years old. And the used dosage of Skinax was 150 milligrams a day. The clinical study took place between October and December to avoid the UV exposure. So in this clinical study, there were three approaches to evaluate subjective and objective criteria of skin radiance. So first, there was a physical evaluation of the skin using a cutometer device to assess the skin firmness and elasticity, which is an important parameter of skin aging. Then there was a clinical scoring using a validated test called CLBT for color, luminosity, brightness, and transparency. It had been realized they also measured the imperfection, and all of this was realized by a unique trained medical assessor. And then we had a self-assessment questionnaire to know how the participant felt about the project. So the cutometer devices measure the elasticity of the skin by a suction test. It means that it acts as a little vacuum to realize the suction on the skin. It was always on the same place of the face for every woman, and it measures the skin deformation and the time that it needs to go back to its initial state. So after SKINAX supplementation, the elasticity measurement by the cutometer device showed that there was an improvement by nearly 9%. The clinical evaluation made by the medical trained assessor also revealed that about 50% of the women had a firmer skin. So the improvement of the firmness and elasticity of the skin suggests that the elastic fibers have been protected by the supplementation. Indeed, the firmness of the skin is mainly linked to collagen and elastin fibers, which confers stability to the dermis and its elastic properties. Furthermore, improvement of skin firmness also allows a reduction of the dark circles. Then, to determine the coloring, the following descriptors have been used: red pink, olive, and beige. Those descriptors have been evaluated visually based on structured visual color scale for those three hues. So from 0% to 100% color saturation. So optimal values for each colors has been interpreted as follows. So red pink should be decreased to diminish the wet skin aspect, and this is the same for the olive hue. And the beige one needs to tend to medium to have a clear complexion. So concerning the results, so statistical analysis revealed that they had a significant decrease of the saturation for the red pink color that was decreased by nearly 35%. And we also had some results on the olive aspect of the skin, with SKINAX decreasing this color by more than 20%. So the evaluation of luminosity, brightness, and transparency had been performed also using a scale ranking the parameters from no intensity to maximum. So in luminosity, the SKINAX helped to improve the skin luminosity by around more than 25%. Then, fashion skin imperfection had been evaluated through clinical scoring, reporting the color and the relief of dark circles, redness, color on surface, presence of spots with their color and their quantity, and also the heterogeneity of the skin imperfection. So those criteria have been assessed and classed from 0, so absence or low, to 10, which is very. Then a global imperfection score had been calculated, summing those 5 parameters. And we can say that SkinAx allowed to decrease by 18% the facial imperfection. So you can see here on those pictures that before and after SkinAx supplementation, you have a lot less more dark circle. So it had been reduced by color, but also in the relief. So this means that SkinAx helps to improve the skin firmness. Also, you can have visual results on redness. So here it is before and here after SkinAx supplementation, and the color on the surface of rednesses have been decreased by nearly 20%. This means that the reduction of both color and surface rednesses so this means that SkinAx improved the skin vascularization, increasing the capillary integrity and the blood flow. And then also, so the last one, you have some visual results on skin imperfection with, you can see it very well here, so on these spots that nearly disappeared, because the color and the quantity of the imperfection had been decreased by more than 20%. This means that SkinAx positively regulates the age-related heterogeneity of the skin and the overproduction of melanin. So the SkinAx global effectiveness has been also improved by the women themselves. When women were asked if they looked better after the supplementation, more than 64% of them around answered yes, so 2 out of 3. And also there were 82% of the subjects that answered that they were satisfied by the efficacy of the product. And to conclude, to put it into a nutshell, so SkinAx globally improves the skin radiance because skin radiance needs to be evaluated as a whole. So, and with SkinAx, what is very interesting is that the parameters that need to be modified and improved were significantly improved. You can see it right here. So here you have the dull area, and in gold the radiant one. At the beginning of the study, this was the complexion of the subjects, and this is at the end. So the more the parameter needed to be modified, such as the well-being aspect, the more SkinAx brings it into the radiant area. But the parameters that were already quite correct, such as the transparency, for example, SkinAx did not acted on that. So also, which EFSA claims can you use on your packaging with SkinAx? So in Europe, we have validated and pending EFSA claims. The validated ones are on the zinc and vitamin C. So for example, vitamin C contributes to normal collagen production for a normal function of the skin. But you have also pending claims on grape, because grapes help to improve the overall health and appearance of the skin. But more than that, you have some differentiating claims thanks to SkinAx, because you have consumer satisfaction messages, which are very important. More than 80% of the women are satisfied by the products. You have also some proprietary beauty message with luminosity that is increased by 26% and spots decreased by more than 20%. Then you have some extra claims, so to differentiate yourself from the others, because Skinax is clinically tested, has been scientifically tested. You have it has been tested under dermatological control. It is made in France, and you have also French melon cantaloupe and grape from Champagne. It had been also formulated by a dietitian. So here you have some few examples of different products using Skinax. So it exists products all over the world, in Europe, in America, but also in Asia. And all those products are claiming that they are using Skinax on their packaging. So if you had to keep in mind some few points about Skinax. So Skinax is the new generation of anti-aging products because it combines both primary and secondary antioxidants. Then Skinax is a vegan collagen booster, which increases the skin elasticity. With Skinax, you have some validated EFSA claims on zinc and vitamin C. You have also additional proprietary claims, clinically proven, multi-parametric action on skin elasticity, dark circles, hyperpigmented spots. And also, this formulation is patented because it associates French grape and melon extracts, vitamin C, and zinc. It is easy to formulate. So thank you for listening to this presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any question, do not hesitate to contact us.